Hi.
Hi.
Part 2, the loft. Let's get it done. It's been a while, right?
It needs to be finished.
It needs to be finished. Quick recap. I painted up here, I cleaned up here, we moved around some furniture. So now, Jonno, we've got to do blinds. Mm-hmm. So I measured and ordered these blinds from DIY Blinds. I did them on my own, very heavily pregnant. I was very tired. Fingers crossed. I got the measurements right.
We'll make them fit.
So I need you to do blinds, and I've also got a curtain solution for the corner over here. And I need to sort out the shelving as well. So I'll do that, and I reckon I've got 45 minutes until Otis wakes up. Can we do it?
Yeah, why not?
Yay!
What do you got going on over here?
Storage. So, went with the classic, the Billy bookcase from IKEA.
What a terrible idea.
Well, look, I was, that conversation that Ryan Gosling has with Stephen Carell in, what's that movie?
No.
Crazy something love. Anyway,
No.
It's like when he's telling him that he's too good for the Gap, be better than the Gap. I had that conversation with myself, except the Gap was IKEA, but I decided I wasn't better than it. So I just got the Billy bookcase, and it actually works really well.
I'm glad you put it together because I would have just thrown it on the fire pile.
Do you know what? I forgot that IKEA, you have to literally assemble everything, so I even had to build these. I'm like, they don't even give you boxes.
Yeah.
I had to build the boxes.
You know what? Those boxes are terrible as well.
Yeah.
Would not recommend because I've already put too much stuff in them and the bottoms fall out of them when you pull them out.
Anyway, I'm spunking them up a tiny bit. I've just got this, my favourite labeler, which you bought me from was it Office Works?
Yeah, it's like $12. It's the cheapest one you can get.
Pretty much. GoPro, I'll put sound, drone, that kind of thing. Stick them on here so you know where it is. Put all your stuff in it, and then I need you to put up curtains so we don't have to look at this.
Alright.
Okay? Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, so much satisfaction.
The mega challenge.
Yes.
How are we going to get this rug down? Because we already have couch.
I believe in us.
There's nowhere to put the couch.
Yeah, so we'll just we'll just put that there, and then you'll lift the couch.
This will be a miracle if this happens. Let's see what happens. Alright.
This is not how you should roll out your rug and place your furniture, just FYI.
Quick.
And actually, it might need to even come a bit further back.
Back where?
That way.
Oh.
Just to give you enough room. Yeah. Sorry. Do you love me?
No.
Seamless.
It's not straight.
Why do we only have 3 windows over there when I could distinctively remember having 4?
Because that's an off-cut of VJ panel from when you smashed the window, dropping my surfboard through it.
I did do that. We didn't film it because it was highly stressful at the time. But, problem solved. For now. Jonno, let me ask you a question. Do you still hate this room?
Yeah. I want to chop it down. I do not like it at all. The ceiling's too low. It gets too hot up here. It's pointless. It makes our living room really small.
Not pointless.
Makes our living room really small.
Oh, yeah, but...
It's made out of decking. It's there's holes in some of it. The floorboards go different directions. The nails stick out of it. It means we can't have a very tall door out onto our future deck. So guess what? Getting vetoed one day.
Yeah, well, tell me what you really think.
Where did you envisage we were gonna... Oh, it's mounted into the bloody handrail.
No,
this room is a disaster.
It was.
It is.
No, it was. It doesn't mean you have to. No.
I have to, because there's nowhere else to mount it, because there's these weird bits of timber that don't match up to anything. The beam's not even straight. Not that the trim's straight either. Look at this trim. It's on a 35-degree angle. It's not even fastened to the wall.
Are we having fun yet? At this point, I kind of want Otis to cry. So I can go feed him.
What, are you sick of me? I'm sick of you making me makeover rooms that I want to just chop out.
Oh, shut your face. Good work, babe.
What is that?
That's my bolster.
For?
That's for yoga, for meditating, for relaxing, for yin.
Oh, okay. Yeah, okay.
So this is my corner, and you can use the weights
Oh, good to know.
and the yoga stuff.
Hot tip. Don't drop it through the window. The old style
Can you
surfboard.
get a bungee thing eventually, so
So it doesn't fall in the window.
yeah.
Okay.
That, or you can make your own rack.
Don't need a rack because it's like you can't really use these boards because it's too hard to get them down that little staircase. Two boys still passed out.
Both of them?
Yeah.
You're
one in
joking.
each bed.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh my god, you're joking. Alright.
Dusty's like full spread across the whole bed.
Is he? I'll go have a look.
And Otis has passed out.
Oh
so.
my god.
Good stuff.
Yeah, well now I just need to finish organising that so it makes sense. But
Right.
at least it's free flow so you can access, you know, PowerPoint.
All the things. Oh yeah, there's a PowerPoint there. Wonder if it works.
It does. So that's your charging station for
Yeah.
all of your batteries and stuff, which I'm going to set up for you.
I like how
Be sure to
high the
thank me.
roof is, so I can get in there without wrecking my already wrecked back.
Oh my god. I thought I was going to change your mind about this room, but apparently not. Apparently you hate it.
Oh, you worked it out.
I haven't finished yet.
Okay.
You might like it still. So, Jonno, the question is, do you still hate this room?
Maybe. Not so much. It actually works as a room now.
I think you're being pretty harsh. This is like the little mezzanine that could. It's doing a lot of things. It is a guest bed. It's a home office. It is a camera charging station. It is a gym, a yoga studio, and it gives us storage. So I think it's actually doing pretty well. There's a few very good things in this room. One of the best things of this room is that it's actually upper level, so Dusty can't get up here and neither can Otis. So I can actually get space to myself, which makes this couch even more special. But this is a sofa bed, so this is a guest bed. I like the fact that we can have people to stay now. We didn't have that before. It's also very comfortable, so it's a good place to just sit and just chill out. So this is from Koala, and we actually use this in our lawn house. We really liked how it works. It's super easy. Like, you just literally fold it out and pull it back again. There's no, like, you know, wires and
Mechanism.
yeah, there's no mechanism. It just folds out and folds back in. I went to DIY blinds and I actually got a curtain made up for this corner. The reason why I did this is because it's kind of ugly behind it. So the curtain fixes everything. Storage boxes there. It's a good solution. Jonno doesn't like it. And look, I'll admit, it's in a very...
I can't get in there.
It's in a very pokey
And
corner.
I'm the only one that ever goes in there. It's a good solution to get the stuff off the ground for the time being because I'm going to build my office
Thank you.
very soon.
Thank you. See, we're solving problems here, okay? But this material, so this is Jillaby flax. It's in a pencil pleat, and this matches actually what I did in the green room downstairs. So I really like the texture of this fabric. Not just the curtains, but we also got new roller blinds, which have made a big difference. The old ones, they were broken, they were filthy. These are fresh, clean, they work, and basically these are going to run throughout the entire house. Roller blinds are actually the most important thing in this house because we do quite a lot of sun, don't we, Jonno? This is just a cute little moment. This is actually an old photo from back in Dad's surfing days, so this has got a bit of a surfy vibe up here.
Noosa Rivermouth.
Yeah.
In the 60s.
And it's just Monstera overload. So we've got the fruit salad plants everywhere, mainly because they grow happily anywhere. It's quite hot up here, so they're quite happy in the heat. They love it. But not as hot anymore now that we've got the new fan.
Do you have a new fan?
Oh my God. So that fan's massive, like big game changer. It's silent. Our other one was not silent. It made horrific noise every time it went round. So this is a beautiful timber look. So that's from Beacon, and also from Beacon, I forgot to mention the new light that we got. So this is going to replace all of the wall lighting throughout the cabin. I love this. It's just really simple. It's essentially just a modernized version of what we had originally. It's got a nice ceramic detail to it, and it brings a lot more light. It's far more effective than the previous lighting that was here. LED. And we've got all these new pools as well. The previous pool, we'll have to show a picture of it. It had like 4 bits of materials tied together.
It wasn't even rope, it was like shredded bits of fabric.
It was disgusting.
Tied in knots.
It was gross. And obviously, home office, not the biggest, but gets the job done. Very comfy chair. Obviously only space for one. Both of us work, but we just have to share this for the moment. I've obviously just got a lot of my stuff here for yoga and for exercise. I don't have a ton of space, but like I said, like it's just space to myself. So I've got some space, and for the moment, that's great. My big dream is to have a yoga studio on the property with an epic view. That will come, won't it, Jonno?
Coming soon.
Coming soon. But I think job well done.
Yep.
Jonno likes it, and
For
I.
now.